Since New Horizon Aircraft regained compliance with the Nasdaq's minimum bid requirement, investors are looking ahead with optimism in light of the new partnership with renowned mobility designer Andrea Mosellin to refine the design and aesthetics of its Cavorite X7 hybrid electric eVTOL aircraft. Mosellin brings extensive expertise from leading roles at Lilium, Alfa Romeo, Maserati, Ennio, Pininfarina, and Revolve Air, and his visionary approach will ensure the Cavorite X7 is both technologically advanced and visually iconic. The collaboration focuses on refining the aircraft's exterior form, proportions, and key design elements to enhance efficiency, aerodynamics, and user experience. The interior will be designed to accommodate multiple configurations, prioritizing space, comfort, and functionality. According to Brandon Robinson, CEO and co-founder of Horizon Aircraft, partnering with Mosellin elevates the aircraft's design and reinforces the company's commitment to world-class innovation in eVTOL technology. Mosellin emphasizes that the goal is to create an aircraft that is both performance-driven and instantly recognizable, setting a new benchmark in the industry. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.